Hi, I'm Melissa Wassman. I'm a loan officer with ReverseMortgages.com. We were here today explaining what a reverse mortgage is and just helping people better understand how it works. So basically, a reverse mortgage is a mortgage loan for people who are 62 and older. It allows them to borrow money out of their home, and there are no monthly payments. So you still own the home, and the difference on what you borrow and how much the home is worth is still yours. You qualify for a certain amount based on your age, and you can use those funds however you'd like. You can receive them in a monthly payment to you, which is tax-free, so it's not going to mess up your Social Security or any of the other income that you have. You could receive a line of credit that you could just have available to use however you wish, when you want to, or you could take out a lump sum. Today, a lot of the questions were about what if I don't have a mortgage, and that is completely fine. That just means that the money you receive, you can use however you want. If you do have a mortgage, first we have to pay off your mortgage, and then you can use the leftover amount however you'd like. Our company does help people get reverse mortgages with no out-of-pocket closing costs. So we cover your appraisal up front, and all of the closing costs that are left over are just built into the loan. You can contact me directly. I would be happy to give you a quote and just explain more about your particular situation. Thanks so much.